Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'd like to explain to all of you how the cash secure put options works. And next time, when you're going to buy any kind of product, can be a stock, commodities, whatever it might be, ETFs, index, guys, cash secure put, it is the way to go. Because if the particular product might trade sideways for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, guess what? You can still collect income. Look at this, for example, with IWM. Look at these people here, for example, they are selling cash secure put all the way back here from 2021 all the way now 2024. Like myself, I sold plenty, guys, plenty of puts on IWM. Why? Because it is an ETF that's been trading sideways for a long time. Of course, you might say at this level, I didn't know if the price was going to have another lower leg low in this case, or was going to trade sideways. But guess what? It doesn't matter because we could still manage our trades. But if you pick ETFs like the IWM or any other ETFs or maybe index or maybe futures, if you take away here, let's say of 2-3 years on something trading sideways, you can make a lot of money. What about if it goes up? You can still make money. And what about if it goes down? You can acquire or purchase the stock you like to hold for the long term. Remember, one of the main things when it comes to cash secure put, I'd say that's the first thing you should consider before you trade in cash secure put on any product. Doesn't matter if it is SPY, IWM, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, XLU, XLP, XLY. It doesn't matter. Gold, silver. You must be willing to hold for the long term because our goal it is to manage our trade as much as we can. And then when we pretty much, let's say, down 30%, we are going to buy the stock, get assigned, and hold the stock for the long term. And if you guys don't have a clue what it is, assignment, things like that, we have here, guys, in our channel, plenty of content so you guys can watch and learn all the good things. And of course, if you want to learn how to trade in options, go from zero to here, and I'll be upgrading and updating this trading course here every single year and every single month with plenty of new contents. Okay, for those of you that haven't traded option before, this is the best thing to start with, and it's free, by the way. Okay, but let's go back here first on the SPY. Let's say that we want to buy SPY, but we think the SPY is trading too high, as it is right now, pretty much making new all-time highs for the past 2024. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a spot here, let's say around this level here, 470. We're gonna go on our option chain, and then we're gonna sell up cash secure put. Because the thing is, let's say for example, coming here on TastyWorks, we're gonna look here for something between 45 to 60. Let's say 58. That's the closest one from 60. We're gonna open here the option chain. Let's say we're gonna go 470 in this case will give us roughly $1.20. Let's say we're gonna sell here 2 standard deviation. This is 1 standard deviation. Okay, this is 2 and this is 1 from the current stock price. Let's say for example we're gonna sell here 2 standard deviation of 485. We're gonna collect here the mid price of 150, 151, roughly 150. So for us selling this strike price, we're going to collect $1.50. Of course, we have to multiply that by 100. We are going to get paid $150 to 8. Okay, to 8 for the SPY to go from 578, okay, down to 485. Okay, because if not, if in 58 days SPY goes up, this will be out of the money, we keep the whole thing. If it trades sideways, this will be out of the money, we keep the whole thing. If it trade down but doesn't trade below 488, we can still collect 150 anyway, because that's ours to keep in the beginning, but we will need any kind of trade management. If the SPY close below 485, which is our strike price at the expiration date, and of course, we can do plenty of things here before the expiration date. We can manage this trade, you can roll down, roll up, roll down, and all these things you can learn in our channel. There's all the things there for you guys to learn for free. If you do trade below, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to manage this thing here. But if you don't wanna do any trade management, you can buy for 485 instead of 578, and you got paid $150. So your break even here will be okay with your strike price minus your premium. So your break even is going to be 485 minus 150. Okay, this is your break even. Why? Because you collect that 1.50 at the beginning, which is pretty much what 483.50 This is your break even, okay? But again, there's plenty of things we can do. We do not need to wait for the stocks to go here from this price here to trade below this thing here for us to manage this trade. You can close before, like I said, we can do some rolling. There's plenty we can do. But in the nutshell, keeping this video here nice and short, the way you need to do is, first, you need to look at the chart and see what level I want to hold SPY if I get a sign. Without any trade management, am I happy to buy SPY at 485? Yes, I am. You come here in the option chain, pick your strike price and sell the put and get your premium. Of course, for margin accounts, you need to make sure that you have enough buying power in your margin account to be able to hold assignments, okay? Otherwise, you have to use buying power here in terms of your margin account. If it's cash account, you need to be able to have 485 times 100, which is 48,500. Why? Because if you get a sign, you must be able to buy 100 shares at 485. Otherwise, you can have a margin account, you're going to have margin for that, or you can actually just keep rolling this trade. But the first thing first you need to do is go to trading view, let's say 485. Let's see 485, how much discount we can get. 485 is going to give us roughly 15%. That's not too shabby, okay? So basically all the way down here. And if you look to the left here, the structure of this chart, we got some kind of resistance here that might hold as a support. We have another one here, another one here. So basically we do have some confluence here to the left that might help us for the buyers to find some value here at this level. If not, we're going to have to manage this trade or take assignment. Then what you can do is you can sell here call options and transfer that to a covered call, or you can sell another put and a call, transfer that to a covered strangle, or you can just sell another put option here and lower your base case from 485. If you sell another one here, 375, your base cost is going to be roughly like what, $430. And keep it lowering your base cost, because at the last minute, when we get a sign all the way down here at 355, we're going to be down, guys. Look at this. We're going to be down a whopping. If I measure from here, for example, okay, if I take from here all the way down here, that's 38%. Who doesn't want to hold SPY at 38%? And that's the goal. The goal is to manage our trades, lower our base cost all the way down here, because from here, we're not selling covered call anymore. We're not or convert this thing to a covered strong anymore. We are going to hold this thing for the long term, because the stock market must recover. How long is it going to take to recover? We don't know. It might take the whole year, like 2022. It might take 2 years during the GFC 2007-29. We just don't know. But with 38%, guys, the best ETF you can ever find, I want to hold that for the long term. Of course, if you want to collect dividends, things like that, you might need to look LCRs, like for example, somewhere else, like for example, the VOO or maybe the SCHD, something like that. Other ETFs that pay a better yield, okay? When it comes to yield for the ETF SPY, it's not the best you can find, okay? The yield is just like, I think 1.2 is very, very low, okay? So the best thing to do is to get other ETFs if you're just looking to collect dividends. But in terms of price appreciation, in my point of view, is the best one you can find. But this is, in a nutshell, roughly 8 minutes, how you're going to trade your Care Secure put options, okay? Guys, thank you very much. All the best. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. All the best. Stay safe and happy investing.